don't, that's because I'm
You want me to drive?
Well, there's a bypass right there, right? Is that where he's talking
I don't
about?
know. I've never been here. If you can't handle it, then don't do it. That's all I'm saying.
Sure you're locking again.
Don't get too close to him.
Couldn't let him do it. That's why I already told him that if you saw what you just did, Richard, you wouldn't do it either.
Scenic overlook is on the right. Right in front of
I'll
you.
have to admit, this bypass is kind of rough too. Behind me, if y'all need me to move up so you can take the bypass, let me know. I'm still contemplating this.
I'm taking the bypass.
Let me get out of your way. John, are you backing down or going up?
What's up?
Going up. I just can't figure out how the fuck to get unhigh centered up here, and I'm just waiting for Richard, so I don't know. About to find out.
This is a Trail 5. Are you fucking kidding me? This is a Trail 5.